My Social Justice is truly your course. Our teaching methods are designed to support how you like to learn and what you'd like to learn. We're able to individualize the course in 3 main ways. First, there's no threat of failure. We want you to master concepts and sharpen your skills, so we give you unlimited opportunities to do just that. We believe that assessment should be part of the learning process, so we encourage you to revise your work without penalty until it satisfies you. Second, the course is self-paced. Each of our students completes the course at his or her own speed because we respect each student's unique needs. You can also start the course at any time, year-round. Third, this course is adapted for each and every student. Our teachers customize curriculum, instruction, and assessment to ensure that you'll learn in a way that's meaningful and relevant to you. We invite feedback from our students, and we use this feedback to improve the course. You'll also be free to propose substitute readings and alternative assignments so that the course stays on track with your interests and goals. We want to hear what you think and what you have to say because we want to see how you'll use your opinions to change the world.